Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics video lecture series. In this class, we are going to discuss about continuation of problems in section of solids. A cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 70 mm is resting on its base on HP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP. The cutting plane meets the axis at a distance 20 mm from the top base. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. A cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and height 70 mm. Assume this is first quadrant. You are the observer. Resting on its base. So when base resting on HP, it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP. So perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP. The cutting plane meets the axis at distance 20 mm from the top base. 20 mm from the top base. So perpendicular to VP, inclined at 45 degree to HP. Inclined at 45 degree to HP. So how to draw the diagram? Initially you got to assume, the given position base resting on HP. So draw the top view first and then project the front view, and then draw the cutting plane and then draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So first you have to draw the top view. Draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. Draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. And the next draw the top view. Cylinder of diameter, base diameter 50 mm. So base diameter 50 mm. So 25 mm as radius. Draw the top view. 25 mm as radius. So now draw the generators. Horizontal and vertical generator and 45 degree inclination. Totally 8 generators. Draw 8 generators. Give the naming you. Two bases available. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Represents top base. Bottom base P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now project the front view from the top view. Project the front view from the top view. Now project the front view. Draw perpendicular line from the top view using 2H pencil. Your axis height equal to 70 mm. So extend up to 70 mm height. Extend up to 70 mm height. 70 mm height, extend up to 70. Our axis line or cutting plane meets the axis at a distance 20 mm from the top. So 20 mm distance from the top. Draw horizontal line using 2H pencil and then fix the protractor here. Take 45 degree inclination. Take because the cutting plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 45 degree to HP. So take 45 degree inclination. Draw the 45 degree inclined line. Cutting plane. Draw the 45 degree incline. Draw the 45 degree incline. So the remaining portion only our required portion. The top portion removed always. The remaining portion only our required portion. Now give the naming view to the cutting points. All the cutting points. Naming view to the all the cutting points. Before that, give the naming view of front view A dash, T dash, B dash of H dash, Q dash of W dash, C dash of G dash, R dash of B dash, D dash of F dash, S dash of U dash, E dash, D dash. So give the naming to the cutting point. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash of 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash. A of P, point 1 on A of P, point 2 on B of Q, point 3 on C of R, point 4 on D of S, point 5 on top base, not in generator, top base. From 5 dash of 6 dash draw a perpendicular line to the top view. So give the name to the cutting points. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the cutting points. 8, 9. So now draw the sectional top view. Draw a section line using 2H pencil. This is really the section line 2 to 3 mm. Inclination approximately equal to 45 degree to the XY axis line. Sectional top view over. Now how to draw the true shape of the section? Draw perpendicular line from all the cutting points. Perpendicular to the cutting plane. Draw perpendicular line from all the cutting points. all the cutting points. Now draw the another one axis line, x1 y1 axis line parallel to the cutting pin, parallel to the cutting pin. Now xy axis as center by using compass, xy axis as center and the cutting point distance as radius, xy axis to cutting point distance as radius, and then draw arc at the corresponding line. Mark the point 1. And then xy axis to cutting point 2 as radius, 2 as radius. Draw the arc at the corresponding line, mark the point 2. Similarly, xy axis to point 3 distance as radius. Draw the arc, mark the point 3. Xy axis to 4 distance, cutting point 4 as radius. Draw the arc, mark the point 4. And xy axis center, point 5 distance as radius. Draw the arc, mark the point 5. Similarly, mark the point 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And 8, 7, and 6. Now join all the points by a smooth curve. By a smooth curve. Join all the points by a smooth curve. Smooth curve. And then draw the section line or hatching line by using 2H pencil, inclined 45 degree to xy axis line. And approximately 2 to 3 mm gap between the axis hatching line. Now mark the dimensions. The axis height 70 mm. Axis height 70 mm. and hatching cutting point position 20 mm from the top base. 20 mm from the top base. From the top base. Or base diameter 50 mm. Base diameter 50 mm. Check whether all the given dimensions are marked. Base diameter 50, axis height 70, cutting plane position 20 mm from the top base and inclined at 40 feet into HP. Mark the inclination 40 feet into HP. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series in mechanical engineering. Thank you very much.